Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Chevy Tahoe key fob. Start by finding the small release tab on the key fob edge and press it while sliding the emergency key out. Use the emergency key or a thin flat tool to gently pry the seam apart, working around the case. Keep clips aligned and avoid twisting sharply. Lay out parts so you can reassemble easily without losing small pieces. Begin by pressing the release tab and sliding the emergency key free, then hold the fob with the buttons facing down. Insert a thin flat tool into the seam where the emergency key was and gently work it around the case to separate clips. Lift the top half slowly to expose the battery and internal contacts, then note battery orientation before removal. Handle the circuit board carefully and avoid touching contacts with oily fingertips. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making practical car tips for you. Quick recommendation: I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth for straightforward money thinking and helpful mindset shifts. It pairs oddly well with saving for car repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick it up if you want, and now let's get back to the video. With the case open, identify the battery type and note its plus and minus orientation clearly so you can reinstall correctly. Gently lift the battery out with a non-metal tool if possible and clean contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol if they look dirty. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Press the case halves together until clips snap. Slide the emergency key back in and test all buttons to confirm the fob works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.